am going to put a brand new slipcover on this IKEA Skruvsta office chair. And this is the cover I've made for today. It's in this indigo blue ECAT print, which is really great for a boho inspired ethnic tribal decor room. And this cover is like really easy. It's completely washable. I always recommend for fabric to hand wash in wool light whenever possible and to air dry. Just because the machines, the drying and washing machines take a lot of wear and tear on the fabrics, and it's just, you know, it'll last longer. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the eyelets with the two cords that hang out of the front, and you're going to position this front and center of the chair. It's going to be easy a little bit. Slip this on like this. And as you can see, the cover has been cut to basically fit the curves of the chair pretty spot on. And then you're going to take the two cords at the front and you're just going to pull it because it's a drawstring. Pull it as tight as you can and help it around the back. Gather the fabric evenly around the bottom, around the back as much as possible. And then once you've done that, you're going to just do a simple tie. I like to do it in a bow, just in case I need to make adjustments later, but you can do a double knot or however you like. And then with the part that hangs down, you're just going to tuck it up underneath the cover like this so you don't see it. Great, and if I turn this around, you can see it's been gathered pretty well. The pedal to lift it up and down is still exposed, so you can still use that part. And we're just going to add the little cushion that I've prepared earlier. And just keep in mind that when you put the cover on the seat cushion, the zipper is going to go horizontal, so from right to left. And the flat part of the cushion is going to go on the front side of the chair. So just like this. And there you have it. Completely upgraded IKEA Skruvsta chair for your office.